the red, teaming up with the Alpha Hawks from Frank Crossing High School. They're going up against the Blue Alliance. Uncalled 3. They're not uncalled 4. They're uncalled 3. They're teaming up with the middle school fun team, the Berserkers. They're going wild out of Georgetown, Kentucky. And this has got to be the best safety glass match I've had today. I've got sunglasses everywhere. I got ski goggles. I'm having fun with all this, and we're being safe while doing it. Full enclosure eye protection, just like it's supposed to be. You're ready to go? I got 3 greens. Red, are you ready? No, I'm not ready. I got a wall stake on that I can't have. Oh, that was good. Yep, that's right. That's correct. Okay. Now I'm ready. Red, are you ready? Blue, are you ready? Let's get dry auto in 3, 2, 1. Auto control.
Oh, what? Go.
Blue wins auto, no win point. Let's get started. Driver control in 3, 2, 1. Take them up. Take them out. Get them high.
What's the thing?
It's a blue robot. I've got 48 seconds left in this match. 4, 8. I like these seconds. 30 seconds. 3-0. You got parts. 20 seconds. 15. We are protected. Protection. We're in good hands. We are protected. 3, 2, 1. That is match. Woo! We got a close corner over here.
4, 2, 3, 3. Please make sure your license plates are the right color.
It flipped up while we were running on. It was.
If you can make sure they can't flip.
Yeah. So we forgot to put the rubber band
Work
back
on it for next time.
Yeah.
You think you can do the Great Crossing? Are you better than that?
Yeah.
That's a warning. Not a disqualification.
This teacher, ours is left.
Oh, shoot.
Boom.